Careful, effective, specific monitoring of your listings is vital when it comes to protecting your brand and protecting your consumers, specifically on Amazon. And that's what this video is all about. I want to make sure that your monitoring system mimics ours, or you learn why our system is just so great. Number one, you want to make sure that your ASIN monitoring system differentiates between unauthorized sellers and you or authorized sellers. The last thing you want to do is to knock off a seller who has your permission to sell or catch yourself in your brand protection net. Number two, your monitoring system has to be able to differentiate between first-time unauthorized sellers and repeat unauthorized sellers. Because if someone is doing it over and over again, or they've broken their agreement not to sell your products, you want to know who they are right away. Number three, I want to make sure that you never needlessly harm a seller, because there can be significant blowback to your brand should you remove the wrong seller or your monitoring system mislabels a seller as a repeat offender versus a first-time third-party seller who happens to be selling your products. So monitoring your ASINs is an art and a science all in of itself, and I want to make sure you know how we do it. So if you're doing it in-house, you can mimic us, or why we are just so good at it, why we are so good at monitoring your listings, getting sellers to amicably stop selling your brands, and when necessary, remove them from selling your products.